I am Dr. Amit Kumar Dhiman. I am Senior Medical Oncologist at CCA Cancer Center of America in Ludhiana. As we know that the breast cancer is rapidly rising in the society. The reason is the lack of exercises and change in the dietary habits. If we look the last 40 years, the overall teamwork for the home, like they're doing all the cleaning work and all these things. So as this activity has gone down and the fat is more in the body, the diet which we can use, so like the modern diet, pizza and all, cheese and everything, it contains high amount of the fats, and ultimately it is not being burned out in our body. So this leads to the increase in the fat tissue in the body and increase in the hormones level in the female hormones in the body. Female hormone, particularly estrogen, is notorious to cause the breast cancer, and it is notorious to cause the uterine and the ovarian cancer. So this is a major reason amongst the female, and being female is that, as we know, that is the most common risk factor for the breast cancer.